Finders Keepers was created for Transliteracy Conference 2010, June 11th and 12th in Owen Sound, Ontario, by staff at Adult Learning Centre's Grey-Bruce-Georgian. This presentation was created and originally presented by Kaitlyn, Mesley, and Roger Hannon of the Collingwood location. Finders Keepers explores where to find images, audio, and video, and how to use social bookmarking. Groups and belonging are the hallmarks of social bookmarking. It's like saving to your favorites on your computer, but it's all online. Social bookmarking sites mean you can see what other people have tagged as well. This way, people are in the center of the so-called mediascape. In many cases, we can learn more by sharing than by searching. Voted one of the best tools for teachers for the past several years, Delicious allows you to store all of your bookmarks in one place. You can access your favorite websites from any computer. You may also share your bookmarks with colleagues and students. Bookmarks can be shared with the world or kept private for no one but you to see. Roger's account has almost 5,000 bookmarks. A tag is like a folder, but you can put the same thing in numerous folders. Tagging information with keywords has the potential to change how we store, find, and use information. On the screen are some of the tags Roger uses to help him bookmark his websites. It's user-generated organization and distribution. You can add people with similar interests to your network, and they can add you. Users can also see how many people have used a tag and search for all resources that have been assigned to that tag. In this way, the community of users over time will develop a unique structure of keywords to define resources, something that has come to be known as a folksonomy. More and more people are subscribing to People, not magazines and newspapers. It's organization from the bottom up. Instead of just bookmarking, the site Digo allows you to highlight text and attach sticky notes to specific parts of web pages. Whenever you return to the original web page, you'll see your highlights and sticky notes superimposed on the original page, just like in a textbook. It's great for researching, sharing, and for group collaboration. You may also want to back up some of your bookmarks from Delicious on Digo. Have you heard of visual bookmarking? WeHearted is a place to keep your online albums with your favorite images and videos. You can see what other people are adding to their own hearts and save it on yours to grow your collection. WeHearted requires a sign-up and a bookmarklet. When you see an image or video you like on the web, you just heart it. This feature works best in Firefox. Images, audio, and video are everywhere in today's digital world. Today we'll talk about where to find free photos, audio, and video on the internet. Once we've found what we want, there are ways to save them on our computer and even share them with others. Digital changes things. Students can edit more, link more, seek more sources, be reflective, connect more, and challenge each other. Online learning is a visual medium, and one of the biggest challenges is producing or finding the visuals you need. There's more involved in this than just right-clicking your mouse to save an image in your pictures or on your desktop. We'll be looking at a number of options on where to find free images on the internet. We'll look for quality, user-friendliness, and variety. Part of using technology is keeping pace with 21st century learning skills. Young people are using self-directed learning outside the classroom in areas that interest them, often using highly advanced techniques. One survey found that 75% of 14-year-olds upload content to the internet weekly. It's not only a download world, it's an upload world as well. The internet is loaded with images. Our challenge is to locate images that are both high quality and ones we are actually allowed to use. There are free photo sites on the internet, as well as public domain pictures you may use for your project. We'll provide you with a list of possible sites to explore, like everystockphoto.com, a search engine for Creative Commons photos located in Vancouver, BC. Launched in 2004, Flickr boasts millions of users posting billions of photos and videos. Flickr is a way to show your photos to the people who matter to you. Simply upload, edit, organize, and share. Building relationships on Flickr is easy. When you add someone as a contact, you can also choose to add them as your friend or family or both. Creative Commons is an alternative to full copyright. On the Creative Commons website, you can browse or search through content under each type of license, whether it's something called attribution or non-commercial use. Flickr Free Use, meanwhile, features photos that are available for use by anyone. There's no need to give credit or to fear rights infringement. How do we help our students discover which photos and images are available for them to copy from the internet and use in their work? Here are some helpful websites, and you may find more on your own. Pics for Learning, TurboPhoto, MorgFile, Stock Exchange, and Dreamstime are only a few of the many resources offering images and clip art files for educational purposes. Flickr's equivalent in the video world is YouTube, which is changing how we understand information, find entertainment, and share. Every day, hundreds of millions of videos spark dialogues on everything from what should be done about the oil spill to the best Stanley Cup overtime goal of all time. Approximately 88% of the videos feature new and original content. There are many other websites hosting downloadable videos that may be used for educational purposes. Vimeo makes it easy for you to upload any kind of video you create. Basic free accounts are available, allowing you to share albums of videos with anyone you want. Other suggested sites for educational videos include TeacherTube, SchoolTube, and 5minutes.com. Free Media Goo is a website offering not only images, but audio, textures, and Flash, which is used in animation as well. If you have time, try exploring SoundSnap and Soundboard, two audio hosting websites.